What's up everyone, welcome back, and today's video is going to be unboxing of the intercooler I got. This is a universal intercooler. I picked it up from Summit. Looks real good. None of the fins are messed up at all. They're all real straight and stuff. There's three mounting holes on the bottom here, and 3 on the top as well. I believe it's a 2.5 inch inlets, and they are flared here at the end. Looks built very well. Nice finish on it. But yeah, that's about it. I can get the size. I'm not sure on the dimensions off the top of my head. I'll have to look back at it, but I can get those if anyone's interested.